Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat's voice and video call feature. So for this, first of all, you just have to open the Snapchat application, and when you are here, you just have to tap on this chat icon in the bottom corner, and it's going to show you all the friends on your Snapchat. So basically these are my friends. So if I want to call any one of them, so I can click on his name, and now you can see these two options in the upper right corner. If you want to use voice call, you can click on this button, and as you can see, allow Snapchat to make and manage phone calls, and you have to tap on this allow and it will give him a call. Now same as if you want to make a video call, you just have to tap on this one and you just have to tap on this call again like this, and it will get him a video call like this. So that's how you can use Snapchat's voice and video call feature. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.